Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP, USD, yes, together. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we all know, 4th of July is a holiday in US, as a result of which market is sleeping, market is in holiday mode, so the volume is very less. So my dear friends, for the first time I'll be combining Euro USD and GBP USD because nothing much to discuss. Okay, the charts are identical, so let's get started. So first of all, let's look at the chart of dollar index DXY. As we can see, that market is struggling, market is not very liquid right now, so more or less we can expect that DXY will stay within the range of 103.55 to 60 to 102.70. This is the range of DXY right now, and we can expect that market will stay inside this range only. I would like to mention one thing very clearly, that whenever there is less volume in the market, either the market will be sleeping or the market will be showing unexpected spikes, because less volume means less movement in the market, but it also becomes easier to manipulate. As a result, we get to see sometimes unexpected spikes in less volume market. So it is very important for us to stay safe, to remain safe, and to follow proper risk management. If you have any household work to do right now, you can go ahead, you can take an unofficial off, because market is in holiday mode and it's better to avoid this type of market. But still, you're adamant enough, if you're deeply madly in love with the market, then try to follow the levels that I'll be discussing. First of all, Euro USD. Euro USD is standing at the trend line that we drew a couple of days ago, and we can see the trend line has been acting as a dynamic resistance for quite some time. But the problem is that the line has acted as resistance for many times, as a result of which we cannot trust the trend line anymore, and we will be considering the important levels only for trading. First of all, 1.0930 to 1.0940. If we consider only this particular portion of the market here, then we can see the market is sideways. Forget about the trend line. Okay, so market is sideways, market is choppy. So in this type of market situation, buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy and the only trading strategy. So 1.0930, 1.0940 is a big resistance because of previous price rejections around this area. And in this low volatile market, there's a high chance that market will not have the enough volume to go for a breakout. If market reverses, and it should reverse, and if it does, we can look for a sell position around this area. Okay, once you'll see the prices showing rejection from above, market is struggling around this area, hit the sell button. Okay, on the other hand, if market starts falling, then we have 1.0870 to 1.0875. This is the support. Under normal circumstances, this is not a proper support, but right now in this market situation, there's a high chance that market will get some support around this area. Right now we can see the market has formed a big green candle, but during the European session, if market drops, then we can expect the market to receive some support from the buyers. If buyers are active around this area, if you see the market is taking support, market getting the support, you can definitely click on the buy button. These are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD. And right now market is stuck in the middle, try to avoid. On the other hand, GBP USD. So GBP USD has also formed a big green candle because of the red candle here. So my dear friends, GBP USD also, we have a range 1.0230 to 1.0240. This is the resistance on the chart of GBP USD. You can also consider 1.0220 as well. Okay, because you can see the whole green box is the resistance zone of the market, and there's a good chance that market will be facing problem around this area, because we have good amount of resistance around this area because of previous price rejection, and Also, I explained, remember, the institutional level selling takes place in this type of area. So 1.0220, 1.0240 is a big resistance zone. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. Just like EURUSD, GBPUSD is also stuck in the middle. Try to avoid trading in the middle of the chart. Okay, as I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. We are traders, not gamblers. Okay, only trade when the opportunity is right. Only trade on the levels that you understand properly. So see, we are retail traders, we don't drive the market, we don't give direction to the market. So as a retail trader, it's not possible for us to understand the market behavior on each and every price level. This is a bitter reality, we must accept it. So as a result, only try to trade on the levels that you understand. Okay. So this is the resistance, we can look for a sell. And on the other hand, the support, last support is still present. We discussed about this yesterday also. We got good buying opportunity. So 1.2665, 1.2655, this is still the support zone, and under this condition, when there is less volatility, less volume in the market, we can expect the market to take support around this area. If it does, if it shows price rejection from below, we can definitely hit the buy button. So these are the only two trading opportunities that are logical to me right now. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from it. So that's all from my side. Bye bye, take care. From tomorrow onwards, the Hindi workshop is starting. Yes, the workshop, thanks a lot for such overwhelming response. The world's most affordable forex trading workshop, the Hindi workshop, is starting from tomorrow, and the English workshop is starting from 8. If you're watching my videos for the first time, and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can definitely you can consider joining the workshops. Though it's a 3 days workshop, but after 3 days workshop also, you will be getting support for 1 month. I have mentioned everything on our website. These are the topics that we'll be dealing in 3 days. After that, we will be having 4 weekly sessions, and in weekly sessions you'll be learning these topics. Apart from that, okay, you can see that these are the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. Means you will be receiving these benefits for 1 month after the workshop, so that you don't feel lost right after the workshop, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. Okay, and I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, who are in pain right now, who do not have any light right now. Okay, because I was in your place once, so I know how it feels. And there's a questionnaire also, you can see whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And as you guys already know, that I keep the fees very low so that everyone can afford. The fees is only $15 for everything. Okay, 1,000 for Indians, and the dates are mentioned here. Hindi workshop starting from tomorrow, that is 5th of July. English classes starting from 8, 9 and 10. These are the 3 dates. I record each and every session because people from around the world participate, but due to time difference they cannot join. So I record each and every session so that you can learn. These are the payment methods, and those who are looking for hand holding, those who are new to the market but have many doubts and questions inside their head, you guys can sign up for annual, semi-annual membership, because you'll be getting personal one-on-one session. Everything on the website, feel free to check them out if you're interested. And yesterday I made a Q&A video regarding the workshop, so if you have any doubts or questions regarding the workshop, feel free to watch the video that I uploaded yesterday. Anyways, try to avoid the market for the day because we do not have much volume. It is important to know when to trade, but it is much more important to know when not to trade in the market. So today is the market, you should be taking risk. Okay, that's all from my side. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Enjoy the day. Spend some quality time with your friends and family. Bye-bye. Take care.